super. I feel so excited. I'm super happy for Liza, and this has always been her dream, and for her to be living her dreams, it just means the world to me. Super
Have
happy.
you seen the photos and videos from the red carpet?
I have. I follow Stan Lee, he's my good friend. He's like a photographer for all the red carpet events in Hollywood. So he's been sending me all the photos even before he releases them.
Ano masasabi mo?
I'm so happy. I just can't believe it. We were just there in New Orleans shooting for her film, and just to be here now for her premiere night, it just doesn't feel real.
Grabe yung sigawan sa kanya, Liza, Liza, Liza.
Yes. Super.
Why is it important for you to be here and support her?
I've always been a supporter ever since day one. So sabi ko talaga, till I die, I'll always support her.
Wow. And sa tingin mo, ito na talaga ang start of her big Hollywood?
I hope so. This is her dream. So whatever she wants to do in her life, and if this is her dream, I'm all for it.
Are you following?
Of course.
Mag-Hollywood?
Hollywood. I mean, I don't know. I'm almost open to to anything. So if the opportunity is there, of course.